welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we shall be looking at 5 best hustles that somebody can do in 2023. Okay, let's get started. Number 1 is by doing a voiceover. You see, in Nigeria, an average voiceover artist can earn more than $8 per hour. And one striking thing about doing a voiceover is that you don't need a prior experience before you venture into it, or neither do you need a huge investment. Just what you need is a nice microphone and a little adjustment to the area you plan to record. You can easily turn any room in your house into a nice recording studio. And after which you can upload your services as a voice recorder artist on Upwork on Fiverr. The second on the list is by being a TikTok consultant. Unlike Instagram, TikTok is relatively new. And we equally know that TikTok content easily go viral. So if you can help a brand establish a good presence online, it will go a long way in helping you to generate a massive income for yourself. The next on the list is by being a lonely people companion. You see, you can make substantial amounts of money by being friends to people who are lonely. You see, network website like Papa, Rent a Friend and others can pay you handsomely by being a lonely people's companion. Up to $3,500 monthly. The concept is that somebody who is very new to a neighborhood might want to go out and do something with a companion. Technically, they can rent you for a pay. The friend proposes an activity and pays you for it. But in the course of doing that, you have to be extremely careful in order to avoid doing something that you are not comfortable with. 4 is by being a proofreader. You see, in Nigeria, an average proofreader can earn between $15 to $75 depending on how good you are. Imagine you earn $20 per hour and you work like 8 hours in a day. That means 20 multiplied by 8, that you have $160. So if you multiply it by 30 days, you are making $4,800 per month. Isn't that amazing? I know you'll be wondering, how am I going to start making money online doing proofreading? You see, there are 2 ways I recommend. Number 1 is by joining a freelance market platform. Just registered, and maybe you can register on Fiverr or Upwork. The secondly is by joining a content writing agencies. There are many content writing agencies across the world. So all you need to do is to search for best agencies and submit for your resume. Email marketing. You see, email marketing is a marketing strategy where you send a personalized email to your email list about your product and services. You see, data has shown that there are more email accounts than Instagram and Facebook combined. In other words, we have more than 4.5 billion email accounts. So you can take advantage of these billions of email accounts to generate a massive income for you. And there are 2 ways you are going to do that. Number 1 is by building your email list. Secondly is by using an email marketing software. There are many email marketing software, but I recommend Mailchimp for those on budget. So these are some of the 5 best hustles which I believe somebody can venture into 2023. So that is, we have come to the end of the video. If you like this type of content, do well to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.